Okay, now back to global warming. There was a study done in Europe by a leading environmental consulting agency, AEA, and they reckon that the combination of source separation, recycling, and composting gave the lowest net flux of greenhouse gases compared to any other treatment of municipal solid waste. Please remember that when you're told that you build incinerators to help in global warming. And in fact, if you quantify it, the numbers are quite staggering. The combination of recycling and this is in Italian. The combination of recycling and composting is 46 times less greenhouse gases than incineration. Now, you can play around this with different ways. That compares incineration producing only electricity. If the incinerator is used for heat as well, the ratio is less dramatic. Incineration is a waste of energy. 3 to 4 times more energy can be saved by a combination of reuse, recycling, and composting compared to incineration. One of the world's experts on this is an econometrist from Seattle, Washington, called Dr. Jeffrey Morris. And I urge anybody that's interested in really solid calculations on this to go to Jeffrey. He's been doing it for over 20 years. This will give you some idea. Refuse-derived fuel is a combination of paper and plastics, shredded. The last column, the column on the right, gives you the ratio of how much more energy is saved by recycling each material than burning it. And you see for newsprint it's 2.4, for fine paper it's 7.1, for cardboard it's 3.7, for other paper 4.2, and for plastics the ratio is staggering. Take PET plastics, the 2-liter Coke bottles and so on are made of PET plastics. 26 times more energy is saved by recycling those bottles than burning them. And yet they have the audacity to call these things waste-to-energy incinerators. Resource recovery plants. These are resource destruction plants. They're waste of energy plants.